In this video, I will show you how to open and sync the OneNote Teal Digital Planner on secondary mobile devices, such as your iPhone or Samsung Android phone. Since Microsoft OneNote is a cloud-based application, installing the digital planner on your Microsoft OneDrive allows you to access it from anywhere, whether you're using Windows, Android, or iOS. The Microsoft OneNote app is available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Once installed on your mobile device, it provides seamless access to your digital planner wherever you go. Before accessing your planner on a mobile device, you must first set up the Teal Digital Planner on your primary laptop or desktop and sync it to your Microsoft OneDrive cloud. Let's briefly review the installation process on your primary device. For Windows users, the setup is simple. Double-click the installation file to begin the unpacking process. In the dialog window that follows, choose your OneDrive folder as the storage location. For the full-size planner, the unpacking and syncing process may take some time. After installing the planner on your OneNote on your desktop or laptop, you can now proceed to open it on your mobile device. To do this for the first time, you need to first download the OneNote app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and once installed, log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Depending on if you are new or existing user, you may be prompted to preview existing notebooks or set up a new one. In our case, we just installed the new notebook of the Teal Digital Planner. Now, to access the planner on your mobile device, go to the Notebooks section. Tap More Notebooks at the bottom of the list. Your Teal Digital Planner should appear among the top 3 choices since it's a recently opened file. Tap on the planner to open it. You'll notice the pages begin to load. Similar to the desktop version, the first time you open it, pages and sections may load slowly. This is normal and only happens the first time. Subsequent loads will be faster. As you begin clicking through pages, there may be a brief delay, a few seconds, while images or backgrounds load. Once everything is fully loaded, you can start navigating your planner using the hyperlinks embedded on each page. If you've installed the planner on OneDrive but it doesn't appear on your mobile device, or appears with a delay, the most common reason is incomplete syncing. In that case, follow these steps. 1. Check the sync status of your planner on your primary device, PC, or laptop. A new window will show. Right-click on the planner and select Sync Status. A new window will show the sync progress for all your notebooks. 2. Wait for the planner to sync completely, and if the status says syncing, allow a few minutes for it to finish. 3. Verify the sync is complete, and once it's finished, the status will display up to date with the current time. 4. Check your mobile device. OneNote Planner should now appear under More Notebooks, and then be listed near the top of your notebooks. Once syncing is successful and up to date, your planner can be accessed on any device, including iPhone, iPad, and Android phones. Any changes made on your laptop or mobile device will automatically sync across platforms, specifically between the OneNote desktop version and the OneNote mobile app.